Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Fine. We all are fine, right?
You all are fine. That's good. That's very good. So, what have we learned yesterday? Can somebody recapitulate on it? क्या मुझे कोई बताएगा कल हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा?
कल हमने वो टीए और सीए का पेपर किया था मैम।
Okay.
तो some part was very tough and some part was very easy. It was good experience.
It was a good experience.
Yes.
So you have taken a test for your TA and your CA, right? आपको लगता है जिसने भी ये कहा है कि TA थोड़ा सा टफ था, अगर हमको थोड़ा अंदाज़ा होता है इस चीज़ के बारे में कि मान लीजिए अगर हमें इस चीज़ की जानकारी होती, if we had an idea where we can go weak and where do we have our strength, we would have done better. We should have prepared better. Do you think? Of course, those who have not done well, they do want to know it.
Yes, ma'am.
And those also who have done well, they want to do better. Right? Because just 89% where they are not satisfied. They want to do better. They want to get 98%. Right? Do you want to know the ways by which you can analyze, by which you can decide what are my strong points and what are my weak points so that I can improve upon my performance? You want to know?
Yes.
Yes. Let's do one thing. Take out a pen and a paper and just write 3 strengths of yours and 3 weaknesses of yours. Done, everybody? Okay. One method which you could have opted to do better. Just one method. एक चीज जो आप कर सकते थे जिससे कि आपकी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी निकलती, मतलब कोई भी एक चीज जो आप अगर आपके हिसाब से आप कर लेते तो you would have done better in your exams. And one thing that you think has stopped you from performing well. एक चीज जो आपको लगता है कि आपको अच्छा करने से रोका है. Okay? So let's start from Pooja. Yes. What do you say?
Ma'am, I have to study hard
Okay.
so I can do better.
Okay.
And the second thing is the question. Some of the question was distracted me, like
Have
there are
distracted
many,
you.
yes, many similar options.
Okay. Okay. Like you were confused.
Confused.
Okay. And what were the areas of improvement if you could have done it better? Like what do you think you could have done so that you could perform better?
I wanted to do that if I work hard, I study well.
If you had studied well, you would have done better. Okay. Let's take it. So, Poliji.
गुड स्टडीज करने के तो अच्छा हो सकता और उसके बाद बताओ मतलब सेकंड क्वेश्चन
Second was your weaknesses.
वीकनेस वर्ड प्रोनाउंसिएशन
Word pronunciations.
और
Okay.
क्वेश्चन अंडरस्टैंडिंग
अच्छा, क्या कर सकते हैं जो आप अच्छा कर रहे हैं परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं? आपको अपनी weaknesses पता तो definitely you can improve upon your pronunciations. Okay. So all of us have a list of our strengths and our weaknesses. You know what you've done? आपको अंदाजा है आपने क्या किया? You have conducted a SWOT analysis for yourself. आप लोग हमेशा से कहते थे मैम SWOT क्या होता है? बड़ा मुश्किल चीज़ है. ये SWOT है.
अच्छा इसलिए
Yes. इसी को हम SWOT बोलते हैं. Right? तो आज आप क्या सीखने वाले हैं? What are you going to learn? Today we are going to learn SWOT analysis. Okay? How to get to know what our strengths are, what our weaknesses are, what all are the opportunities we can take advantages of, and what all are the threats which could be a hindrance to our success. Right? This is what SWOT is all about. Right?
In this lesson, you will learn how to explain the basic concept of SWOT analysis, list the SWOT factors, list the uses and benefits of SWOT analysis.
कुछ समझे? कोई बोलना चाहेगा इस बारे में? What are you going to achieve by learning this lesson today is explain the basic concept of SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis क्या होता है? इसका concept आप लोग सीखने वाले हैं. Second would be list the SWOT factors. List the SWOT factors. मतलब SWOT के factors क्या क्या हो सकते हैं. Third would be list the benefits of using SWOT. जब आप SWOT एनालिसिस करेंगे भाई, जब आप कुछ भी करते हैं उसका कोई ना कोई फायदा तो होना चाहिए डेफिनेटली. तो उसके फायदे आपको क्या मिल सकते हैं. एक्सप्लेन द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व. राइट, अब SWOT एनालिसिस करना है तो पता भी तो होना चाहिए कैसे करना है. सो यू गोइंग टू लर्न द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व. थर्ड वुड बी एक्सप्लेन द प्रिंसिपल of the risk management. That will be your last objective. That will be the last thing you're going to learn today. Okay? तो क्या क्या सीखेंगे हम, कौन बताएगा फटाफट फटाफट.
SWOT होता क्या है पहला.
Right.
List the SWOT factor.
Good.
Benefits and
Good.
स्टेप्स क्या क्या होती है
Good.
उसके बारे में हम सीखने जा रहे हैं.
Good. ये सब सीखने जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
So explain the concepts of SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis क्या होता है आपके हिसाब से, क्या होता है. आप SWOT कर चुके हैं जैसे कि आपने देखा है, तो आप उससे क्या समझे आपके हिसाब से. Anybody? Whosoever tells us this, I'll give this quickly to you. आपने SWOT किया है ना अभी, तो इससे आपको क्या फायदा हुआ.
Improving our strengths and weaknesses.
Right. This is for you. Improving upon your strengths and your weaknesses. राइट. अगर आपको अपनी मजबूतियां पता है, आपको अपनी कमजोरियां पता है, व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू. यू गोइंग टू इंप्रूव अपॉन योर परफॉर्मेंस. बस एक वर्ड का थोड़ा गड़बड़ था, रेस्ट इज ऑल गुड. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट.
SWOT analysis is a study done by organizations or companies to identify their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats.
Right. This says SWOT is analysis of your strength. Just note it down, put it down in your notebooks. I'm going to ask the questions in the last. SWOT analysis is analysis of your strength, your weaknesses, opportunities, and your threats. Right. It says that SWOT analysis is done by the companies to assess their opportunities, yes, their strength, weaknesses, and threats. Why? To improve upon their performances. Right. अगर हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की बात करें, सिर्फ और सिर्फ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप्स की बात करें, तो फिर इसमें बस कुछ लोगों के लिए लायबल होगा, लाइक हु एवर वांट्स टू डू अ बिजनेस एंड ऑल. बट दिस डज नॉट इम्प्लाई जस्ट टू बिजनेस, इट इम्प्लाइज टू द लाइफ एज वेल, टू यू एज वेल. आपने खुद देखा ये चीज. राइट. आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस आपको पता है. आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या हैं. आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ये हैं कि अगर आपने टाइम मैनेज कर लिया होता, यू वुड हैव अ बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लर्न. और आपके थ्रेट्स क्या हैं, जैसे कि कुछ लोगों ने बोला कि भाई मेरी रूम पार्टनर थोड़ी सी मुझे डिस्टर्ब कर रही, तो दैट वन रूम पार्टनर ऑफ योर्स इज अ थ्रेट टू योर परफॉर्मेंस. राइट. आपके लिए रिस्क है. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज ऑल अबाउट. बिफोर क्लिकिंग दिस इमेज, I want you people to answer this. Anybody? Because this is something we have already learned, right? Anybody would like to answer?
जो स्ट्रेंथ है कि उनको हम कर सकते हैं. लाइकवाइज जैसे हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है 20 kg लिफ्ट करने की.
Lift करने की.
Abilities.
Okay.
Abilities from
Abilities,
me.
right. Strengths are your abilities. Okay. And your weaknesses?
जो नहीं कर सकते.
जो हम नहीं कर सकते.
जैसे मुझे कंप्यूटर करना नहीं आता, क्यों नहीं.
पूरा तो नहीं कर सकते कि जो हम नहीं कर सकते, जो हम अभी नहीं कर सकते. राइट. क्योंकि अगर हम अपनी वीकनेसेस पे काम करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली वी कैन इंप्रूव अपॉन इट. राइट. तो जो हम अभी नहीं कर सकते, दैट इज आवर वीकनेस फॉर अ व्हाइल. राइट. नेक्स्ट, अपॉर्चुनिटीज. उसका लो
ठीक करने का मौका.
ठीक करने का मौका. राइट. एंड थ्रेट्स.
कौन सी चीज़ें हमको नहीं करनी चाहिए, रुकावटें हैं.
राइट. जो हमारे लिए खतरा है. Anything which is a hindrance or anything which is a risk is a threat to us. Right? Shall we go through it?
Yes.
Join.
Do you understand that? Nobody does? Okay. Strengths are the characteristics of a business or a team that gives an advantage over other in the industry. स्ट्रेंथ क्या है किसी भी बिजनेस का या किसी भी टीम का. अगर आप एक टीम है तो आपकी टीम के अंदर ऐसी क्या खासियत है जो आपको बाकी टीम से बेटर बनाती है. ये हर इंसान में होता है. यूनिकनेस इज समथिंग विच एग्जिस्ट इन एवरीबडी. Like there is something which is unique in me, there is something which is unique in you, right? So uniqueness is your strength, right? What do you understand by this? Strength? Anybody?
The best in us.
The best in us. Very good. Very good rephrased. So, any questions? Anybody would like to ask something? Pucho bhai. If you have any questions, you can ask the queries.
I want to understand it again.
You want to understand this again, your strengths, right? As can you please explain it again?
Strength means what is good in us.
What is good in us, right? What is good in us? मतलब आपकी जो मजबूतियाँ हैं, right? If you are good at communication, that is your strength. If you're good at writing, that is your strength. If you're good at cooking, that is your strength, right? It depends on you how you use it, right? If you're good at communication, you could be a speaker. If you're good at writing, you could be an author. If you're good at cooking, you could be a very good chef. Right? So how do you use your strength depends on you, but strength is something which is good in you. Any problems? Anything else? Okay. You get this? You didn't get this. Who is going to read this for me? Pooja, let's give it a go.
Weakness.
Characteristics of business or a team that put it at a disadvantage to others. जिस तरीके से हमारी कुछ ऐसी यूनिकनेस होती है, कुछ मजबूतियाँ होती हैं जो कि हमको लोगों से बेहतर बनाती हैं, उसी तरीके से we have some weaknesses. कुछ कमजोरियाँ ऐसी होती हैं जो हमें दूसरी टीम से कमजोर बनाती हैं, राइट? हमको SWOT की जरूरत पड़ रही है बिकॉज हम उतना परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहे हैं जितना हमको करना चाहिए, राइट? क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे हैं? क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ कमी तो है, तो हमको वो भी एनालाइज करनी जरूरी है. जब तक हमको ये नहीं पता कि लाइक वेयर वी हैव टू इम्प्रूव, हाउ वुड वी नो व्हाट वी हैव टू इम्प्रूव? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? रूपा जी,
वीकनेस मतलब हमारी क्या क्या कमजोरीज है, हमको क्या किन एरियाज में इम्प्रूवमेंट करना.
गुड, राइट. सो आपको पता चल गया कि आपको वीकनेसेस की क्यों जरूरत पड़ गई. मैं स्ट्रेंथ तो भी सब जानना चाहता है, वीकनेस कोई नहीं जानना चाहता. अपॉर्चुनिटीज,
हम आगे काम करना चाहते हैं.
गुड. वो मौके जो हमें आगे बढ़ने के लिए चांसेस देते हैं. अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर योर चांसेस टू ग्रो, राइट? In this we have taken an example of a food joint. If they add something new, some new cuisines in their menu, we can have new customers. Say we have a restaurant which operates in the Indian food styles. Now we put in some dishes which are from Italian origin, right? So we do not have some more customers who are fond of Italian food, right? Now in your case, how would you do? How would you use it? Right? Opportunities. How do you use your opportunity? Say, you always say that you have not got a chance to have an environment to be good at English. So, if you had a very good environment, that would be an opportunity. Learning Learnwise is an opportunity to you. It helps you to get to know about the new concepts, about the new words, about the new facts, about the new figures. So that acts as an opportunity for you. Last is your threats. Who is going to talk about threats? So what is a threat?
जो हमें अपने काम को करने के लिए रोकती है.
Good. जो हमें अपने काम को करने के लिए रोकती हैं, राइट? अगर इसमें फूड जॉइंट्स का केस है, जरूरी नहीं है कि काम को करने के लिए रोकें. जो चीज़ हमारी परफॉर्मेंस को इफेक्ट करती है, जब हम SWOT एनालिसिस करते हैं, वी आर मोर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑन आवर परफॉर्मेंस, राइट? जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हमको काम करने से रोके ही, बिकॉज अगर मान लीजिए उन्होंने फूड जॉइंट दूसरा खोल लिया तो वो इनके काम में दे आर नॉट इंटरफेयरिंग, बट स्टिल इट्स अ थ्रेट. व्हाई इट इज अ थ्रेट? बिकॉज दैट इज गोइंग टू लोअर डाउन द बिजनेस ऑफ द फर्स्ट रेस्टोरेंट. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Any issues? What do you understand?
About
Threats.
that जो हमें काम के लिए रोकता है वो है.
जो हमें काम के लिए रोकता है वो
जो हमारे काम को
जो हमारे परफॉर्मेंस को रोकता है,
काम के प्रभाव को रोकता है.
परफॉर्मेंस को रोकता है, दैट इज आवर थ्रेट. ठीक है. अच्छा, ये चार जो चीजें हैं, इसको कौन फटाफट रिकैप करेगा मेरे लिए?
Strength, weakness, opportunity and threats.
Right. So,
Strengths are our abilities.
right,
Weakness are our weakness.
right,
Opportunities to perform.
good, and threats. Risk,
Risk, challenges.
challenge, right, perfectly said. Very good. So, what do you understand about this? Anybody? Nobody? I can understand, but you don't understand. No issues. Okay. So, आपके हिसाब से जो चीजें आपकी परफॉर्मेंस को इफेक्ट करती हैं, कितने तरह की हो सकती है? You can have an idea from it.
Internal and external.
Okay, what do you mean by internal and external?
कस्टमर सर्विस अच्छी नहीं है इसको
नहीं, अभी इन एग्जांपल्स को रखते हैं. लेट्स टेक इट योर सिनेरियो. आपने बोला इंटरनल फैक्टर्स और एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स. आपके हिसाब से इंटरनल फैक्टर्स और एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स क्या हैं जिसने आपके एग्जाम्स के मार्क्स को इफेक्ट किया, आपके टेस्ट के मार्क्स को इफेक्ट किया?
Internal हमारी knowledge
ओके,
पर्सनल
और external diversion from other things or so many things.
ओके. डाइवर्जन जैसे कि
Diversion mean जैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ मेरा ध्यान चार और कैसे कर रहे हैं उनकी तरफ ही जा रहा था. That's diversion. I think that is external.
so you lost on time.
No, not loss of time. Loss of concentration.
You lost on concentration.
Not
Okay.
time. Time was there was a lot of time, but
Okay, let's continue.
maybe can it be external?
It can be, but it depends if you take the scenario. I'll explain it later. Okay. Anybody else?
Internal like our personal problems,
Personal problem, definitely.
and external like environment problems like health.
Perfectly said. Very good. That's one of the perfect examples. Come on, guys, give it a clap. Huh? That's a very good answer. Right? So, external factors, which are environmental factors, which are not within us, which are not in our control. Right? External factors are some things which are not in our control. Internal factors are something which is in our control. Right? जैसे आपने बोला कि that is why it is your external factor. Right? Anything which you can have control on, that is your internal factor, and anything on which you do not have control on is an external factor. So, your strengths and your weaknesses are your internal factors. Right? जो आपकी मजबूतियां हैं, आपकी पर्सनालिटी की, आपकी शख्सियत की, वो आपके अंदर है, ना कोई ले जा सकता है. आपकी शख्सियत तो कोई नहीं ले जा सकता आपसे. Right? So that is your internal strengths. And your weaknesses, as you say that your communication skills are not very good, as many of you say. As many of you say that your English is not very good. That is something which is internal. If you work upon it, you can improve upon it. Right? Right. Now let's come to external factors. External factors would be that are not under your control. Right? Are we through with the chapter? Who's going to summarize this for me? We have a cookie. Come on. What we have learned today? You learned SWOT. What is SWOT?
Strength, opportunity,
Okay.
weaknesses, threats.
Threats. Why do you do a SWOT?
identifying our
Weakness,
weakness and
strength.
Okay.
Right.
Identifying our caliber and our opportunities. Am I right? Identifying your caliber and your opportunities. If you have identified your caliber well and if you had a good opportunity, you would have done better. Right? Who's going to talk about benefit of SWOT?
You can perform better in the coming time.
Right, so you can perform better, be it a business, be it your life. Okay, what are the factors?
Internal or external.
What are they?